Today is Friday. It's currently 6 a.m. in the morning. I just finished trading. No, I didn't just finish trading. I finished trading a long time ago, but I can now talk to you guys. And I'm going to show you guys the trade that we took today. Today we took a win, actually. But before I do that, man, let's put some of this what is it? Grilled chicken Alfredo. Let's put it in the microwave. I usually like to have my first meal at 9 a.m. But today I'm gonna have it early because today is gonna be a weird day. Today is not going to be a regular day where I just follow my routine and I do whatever that I do every other day. Today is different. But yeah, man, the trade that we took today is oh yeah, is this one. We won. We got a nice little win today, man. It was a $355 win today. And go follow me on IG, man. Before I even upload these videos, before I even post these videos on YouTube, man, I post my trades on IG. So go follow me there, man. Look at these people already liking my story and stuff. So yeah, if you guys want to see my trades first thing in the morning when I'm done taking them, go follow me on IG, man. But I'm gonna show you guys the trade. I'm gonna explain the reason behind the trade that I just took. But before I do that, man, I'm gonna eat this food and I'm gonna see you guys when I'm explaining. All right, man. So as you guys can see, this is the trade that we took today, and let me go over this real quick. I have to do this explanation quickly because I do have to pack things up because I'm not at my house. I'm at Airbnb today, and I have to pack things up and get ready to go to work afterwards. So let me go over this trade as quickly as possible, man. But yeah, today's trade was so simple. The first thing that I always do when I come into the market is I go to the 1 hour. I see the 1 hour market conditions, and I see that we are pushing towards the upside. So that means that we are bullish. And since we are bullish, we're looking for buys. We're looking for buys. But then I also look at what was happening in the 1 hour right now. And I see that we have this 1 hour demand right here. This is a 1 hour demand that we came down to, and we tapped the 1 hour demand with this candle. So this candle is now tapping the 1 hour demand. And why is it at the A demand? Because we have a break of structure right here. So if the first thing we did is we broke above this candle right here, broke above this high, it created a higher high and it left a demand down here. So it broke above this high and it came down to this 1 hour demand, and now we're pushing towards the upside. So what am I expecting to do? What am I expecting the market to do right now? To push towards the upside, to continue its direction that has already been pushing. So I'm looking for buys. And then I go to the 5 minute and I look for an entry in the 5 minute. When I come into the market, I was at 3 a.m. in the morning because I trade a London session. I come in right here and I see that we have this break of structure right here. Right, and we broke towards the upside and we left a demand down here. So at first, I was looking towards buying right there. I was expecting the market to come down to this demand and then to keep on pushing up. But the market is not always going to do that. We also have this 1 hour demand down here that the market can also come down to. So that's the reason why we have a confirmation entry. And the confirmation entry, what is it? The confirmation entry is a break of the 5 minute candle. So for example, here, the market comes down. Wait, it didn't even come down. Okay, so right here, market comes down to the demand and we do not get in this demand. We get in until it breaks above this candle, until it breaks above the candle that touched the demand. And as you guys can see, it never broke above the candle, so we never got in. So we never took the trade anyway. So by taking trades that break the 5 minute candle with confirmation avoids us taking unnecessary losses. We're still going to lose regardless of taking trades with the break of the candle, but the possibilities behind it is way less than just taking a trade right here. But anyways, man, I think I'm already talking too much. The trade that we took was this one, man. The market came down to the 1 hour demand down here, and I see that we're pushing towards the upside now. This 1 hour demand got respected. We're pushing towards the upside, and I see that this candle right here is breaking and closing above the 13 SMA. The 13 SMA is this blue line that goes along the price. So the only time that I take trades on the break of the 13 SMA is when we have some type of confluence behind it. So I don't just take trades because it broke above or below the 13 SMA. I don't do that. The only way that I take trades when it breaks above or below the 13 SMA is when we have some confluence behind it. And what was my confluence behind this? My confluence was that we came down to this 1 hour demand. And now we're breaking above and closing above the 13 SMA. So I get in when it closed right there. I get in, put my stop loss underneath, and I was aiming for this highs right here, which is a little bit more than a 1-to-1. You know, I was aiming for these highs, and the reason why I wasn't aiming for more is because we had this gap. There is a gap right here, and there is a demand down here. When I took this trade, I knew that the market can either keep on pushing up from where I am. When I took this trade, I was like, the market can literally just come down here right now, fill up this gap to then continue to push up, or we can just go up right now. So I took the risk. And I took the trade right there with knowing the risk that it can potentially come down to fill up this gap. So that's the reason why I was aiming for a 1-to-1 basically. No more than that, because I knew there was a gap behind underneath that the market would want to come down to and fill it up. So that's the reason why I was aiming for that, for a 1-to-1 in this case. And as you guys can see, it was playing around 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes is what it took to hit my take profit, man. And as you guys can see, ended up winning. And let me show you once again the results, man. We have a $355 win. Amazing. It's an amazing way to win the week, but to finish the week and to finish the month, not just the week, the month itself, man. And this entire week has been real money that we have been trading. And next week we will trade the live account again. It's until the week after that we're going to start trading the 5 accounts that we have for the challenge that we bought, because they're going to be rebuilt the week after. So next week we're going to continue to use the live account. And as you guys can see, this week we ended up in $1,000 in profit. Real money, man. But anyways, I'm gonna let the video continue. I got a lot of things I gotta do throughout the day. Today will be a very long day for me, so stay tuned, man. Even though we gotta win today, man, we gotta work regardless. The work don't stop. The people working. Listen, oh yeah, the painter was telling me something about there's a room that we can only do.
So we're gonna go in this room
Mondays.
today and Monday.
Painters, right?
Yeah. And then
we can only work here on Mondays and Fridays.
only in this room.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, man. So now we're heading back to the house, back to New Jersey. 4-hour drive, man. Let's go. What's going on with y'all, man? What's going on with y'all, man? I just made it back from New York. I just made it back from upstate. Right now, I am in New Jersey. I'm back at the crib, back at the house. I thought that I wasn't going to be able to upload a video today, but it turns out that I have to wait for my brother to come here first before I even go to Maryland. So I still got like an hour until he comes over here to the crib so we can go to Maryland. Yeah, because I'm taking him as well. I have a brother, and the two of us are gonna go see the family down there. So I have to wait for him. And in the meantime, for some reason, my phone connected to the computer, so it stopped recording. But like I was saying, my brother is coming from New York as well, and he will be here in like an hour. So I have 1 hour that I can use to upload this video to YouTube. So I'm gonna try to get it done right now so I can upload it today. I thought I wasn't going to be uploading a video today, but it looks like I have the time, so might as well just do it right now. And yeah, man, this is what I'm gonna be doing right now. And I'm gonna be finishing this video right here because listen, I'm not gonna have any extra time. But yeah, right after I'm done with this, I'm heading to Maryland. That will be a 4-hour drive to Maryland, and it's right now about to be 6 p.m. right now. So I will arrive over there at around what 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, maybe 11 or 12 because I still gotta wait an hour. So yeah, man, tomorrow's video, you guys will see me in Maryland. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to upload tomorrow or not. I don't know what type of video I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be doing a conversation with you guys talking about a topic or a day in the life. I'm not sure yet, man, because when I go to Maryland, I never know. It's not in my control, you know what I'm saying? I don't have too much control of what's going on, so I can't really tell you exactly what I'm gonna do. But yeah, man, anyways, regardless of that, tomorrow you guys will see me in Maryland. And today's nice little week comes to an end. Today's the end of the month. Today's the end of the week. And we ended up the month in the green. We ended up the week in the green. We have an extra $1,000 that we have in our pockets. We can probably get a payout, get a withdrawal, and use it right now that we go to Maryland. But I'd rather not, man. I'd rather just leave it in there and use my own personal money, man. Because at the end of the day, the goal is to grow the live account. At the end of the day, is to make the live account as big as possible, so then we can survive off of it. That we can use it for anything that we might need in the future. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. In the future, we're going to be giving ourselves the luxury to do fun little things. Like having a nice car, getting Airbnbs, going out for like a small vacation, trading in a nice place, whatever the things might be. We're going to be giving us the luxury to do nice things once in a while because the live account is going to be providing for it. And obviously, the first thing that I want to focus on right now, the first thing that I want to use the live account money for is for the YouTube things, a better camera. I already bought this audio with the money that the markets gave to me. So I'm investing into YouTube. I'm not using any of my money when it comes to YouTube. Everything that I do on YouTube is free. The only time that I will be investing in YouTube, the only time that I will be using money to invest into YouTube videos to make better quality videos is when we get money from the market. So that's purpose number one. Purpose number two is to do whatever it is that we want. You know what I'm saying? The freedom to do whatever it is that we want. And yeah, man, without further ado, I'm gonna end this video right here because I still gotta edit it, and I have a very limited time that I can edit it. So I'm gonna just end this video right here. And as always, y'all stay safe, y'all stay productive, y'all stay disciplined in the markets, man. And without further ado, this video is now over.